In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install apps in a Slack workspace. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. To start, take a look at your left sidebar in Slack. You should see an option labeled Admin. Clicking on that will take you into your admin area. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing your workspace's settings and integrations. Now, once you're in the admin area, find and select Apps and Workflows. This will open up what I like to call your central integration hub. Here, you can explore a wide variety of apps that can enhance your team's collaboration. But before we go any further, it's important to note, if you don't see the Apps and Workflows option, you might need to check in with your workspace owner. Sometimes they can set certain permissions for what individual users can see and do, so a quick chat could save you some time. Okay, now that we're in the integration hub, let's move on to finding the app you need. You'll notice a section called Recommended Apps. This area is a fantastic way to browse through popular integrations that might fit your needs. It's kind of like getting suggestions when you're shopping online. However, if you have something specific in mind, you can utilize the search bar at the top of the screen. Just type in the name of the tool you're looking for or describe the task you want to automate. Once you've found the app that fits your requirements, click on it to open its details. Here, you'll be able to review its features and, just as importantly, understand its security permissions. Taking a moment to look through these details can help ensure that the app aligns with your team's workflow and security policies. Now that you've chosen an app, it's time to trigger the installation. You should see an Install button prominently displayed on the app's page. Go ahead and click that. A new window will usually pop up with some additional prompts. This is your cue to follow along with the on-screen instructions to finish the integration. The process typically involves reviewing data access permissions to ensure you know what information the app will need from your Slack workspace. Once you're comfortable with that, you'll also be asked to choose which channels you want the app to have access to for posting. This step is crucial because it gives you control over where the app can interact with your team. Lastly, you might need to log into an external account if the app you're installing requires one. This could be, for instance, an external project management tool or a social media platform. Just follow the prompts as they guide you through the necessary logging in and authorization steps. And that's it. You've successfully installed an app in your Slack workspace. Just remember to explore and check in with your team about how they're using the new app, as feedback can help optimize its role in your workspace. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you